Welcome to Chint Limitless. This is Brandon, the product manager for MCCB products. In this video, we will together find out more about HVAC industry and how Chint products making their application. In this introduction, we will discuss these topics. What is HVAC and its marketing analysis, HVAC equipment and Chint products application in HVAC industry. So, firstly, what does HVAC stand for and what exactly do they do? Well, in HVAC industry, H stands for heating, V stands for ventilation, AC for air conditioning, and sometimes there is an additional R for refrigeration, if specially mentioned. They are the joint name of the mechanical systems that supply or remove heat and humidity, or supply outdoor air when required. And we can study HVAC from market research, business opportunities, and what Chint offers to this industry. As we can see in the chart, research shows that in 2021, Asian Pacific market made up to 68% of global market, which is a share over $173 billion. Meanwhile, American market made up around $25 billion and European market made up around $28 billion. However, American and European market together held 95% market for advanced HVAC market. And the estimation based on the analysis shows that by 2028, HVAC global market could reach $275 billion with compound annual growth rate of 6.7%. By product categories, we can see that 45% market goes to the drives and control devices, 28% goes to electrical components including sensors, low voltage devices, contactors, etc., and 20% to PLC and 5% to human-machine interface. And with the evolving of technology and the sense of environment protecting, there are some opportunities that we should seize together, as 68% of electricity in the US is consumed by commercial buildings, and 30% to 50% of annual energy bill of commercial business accounts for HVAC system. Thus, it would bring huge benefits if we can increase the energy efficiency of our devices. In present, main trend of energy saving is frequency variation technologies, but systematized solutions with dedicated controller and advanced HVAC devices that is smart and programmable are making their new way in this industry. And Chint could offer some innovative HVAC solutions to the industry that could reduce cost, improve efficiency, bring better control quality, and short time to market, with comprehensive resources of engineering and expertise, and enhanced worldwide support for sales and services. So, we are proud that Chint is pursuing excellence in each stage of product life cycle to increase customers' sense of satisfaction. Well, how does Chint reduce time to market? We have project promoting architectures that has been tested, validated, and documented, and we are using streamlining production procedure. And how does Chint improve our machine performance? We dedicate it to increase control by using energy-efficient application function blocks, and we make our product compliant with all kinds of global standards. Then, how does Chint improve our services? Of course, with our worldwide customer support. Then, in this part, we could introduce some typical HVAC equipment, such as chiller, AHU, heat pump, and fan and ventilation system. We can see in this page that the HV and the AC have their own corresponding devices that has different functions and has been distributed in different places of buildings. Chiller is a kind of machine that removes heat from liquid by vapor compression. This kind of machine involves with many control and management blocks. For example, we need accurate control with less overshoot, like water temperature control, and planned mode control that saves power consumption during unoccupied periods. Fan management that optimizes the efficiency of supply and return fans. Compressor management that limits working areas and operating frequency with variable frequency drive. And there are also temperature control of air handling unit with economizer control and compensation function. And floating high pressure control is used for associating of drive and controller to modulate airflow, which could save energy for up to 10%. In practical application, the control panel of a chiller contains these devices: PLC with human-machine interface, switches, MCCBs, contactors, MCBs, motor circuit protectors, soft starters, or inverters. These devices controls the pump and fans. These are some of real pictures of chilled product application. Air handling unit, AHU, is used to regulate and circulate air, usually connected with ventilation system that distributes the conditioned air through the building. The control panel of AHU is similar to previous, but controls cooling valves, dampers more. These are the real application pictures of chilled products in AHUs. And heat pumps is another kind of common HVAC device, which could move heat energy from one environment to another in either direction. The devices needed in heat pump panel can also be provided by chilled, and here is the real example. Then, we also have fan and ventilation system, or variable air volume, VAV. It is a type of multifunction system that could serve the function of heating, ventilating, and air conditioning, the flow rate of which is variable, and it serves multiple thermal zones. In all kinds of HVAC equipment, we need support from electrical components and devices like we saw in the control panels, and chilled can provide almost all of them with very high quality. Here, we take examples of the products from Nork, which is a high-quality sub-brand of chilled. We can see that we have all series of power components and control components, including breakers, switches, contactors, pilot devices, and soft starters, etc. Apart from this, we innovatively combine certain products to acquire simpler solution and better performance, such as UL-recognized combination Type A to Type F. Please believe in chilled. We are making all efforts to satisfy the existing or possible expectations from our customers. Thank you for your watching.